una see Papa talk when don't come again.
Make una see Papa talk where. Make una see Papa talk where. More than the mumu waiting saying yes sense. Sometimes.
What is it now? What is it? Look, I am not in the mood for that game tonight. Look, I'm tired. I just want to sleep. I'm not just in the mood to do anything.
Why do you? Who told you I want something that you do? There are thieves in the house.
There are thieves everywhere. Even in the snake, there are thieves. Leave me alone. Let me sleep. What is it?
Papa, don't go to sleep. Papa, don't go. What do you think?
Shh. Tell them I have traveled, that I traveled to Dubai. That when I come back, they can come and take whatever they want. But now I have traveled. Go.
Bros, you forgot the remote. Yes, the TV cannot work without the remote. Bros, I said the TV cannot work. Come collect this remote now. Come and collect this remote now.
Let's you talk.
Hey, make una see Papa talk when don't come again.
Sir, after sir. Sir, I want to ask you one question. Just one question. Sir, I want to know, are you a criminal?
Criminal?
You are not a criminal. You are not a criminal. Me, you are not a criminal. I can confidently count my money there because I thought you are a criminal. So that is why, because since you said you are not a criminal, let me just confidently count my money and just walk away out of here.
But I'm not to do it. Friend, bring that money right now.
Oga,
Bring that money.
Oga, I thought you said you are not a criminal now.
I am not a criminal.
I thought you said you are not a criminal.
I am not a criminal.
What are you now? What are you
I am
now?
an armed robber. Armed robber.
Let
me give you my complimentary card.
Complimentary card.
Just hold it first. Hold it. Hold it.
Oga, this is not unfair. This is unfair. What will I do with this now? Tell me what
If you have a job, Come here.
Okay, this is not right. That is my money you are playing with, oh.
Come here.
Okay.
We shall see you.
I'm dead. The only money that I have. Oh Lord, why is it to me? Oh Lord, why? You said you're not a criminal. What is the difference between criminal and armed robbery? What is the difference? Oh Lord, this is not alright. This is not. Complimentary card. What would I do with this? Oh Lord.
Hey, make una see papa talk my dog come again.
Wait. Are you sure everything is in the car?
Everything is inside the boot.
That other smaller bag, go.
I don't put everything there.
No, because I don't want to miss anything, though. I don't want to miss anything.
This
I
travel.
don't want to miss anything.
This travel, I'm going to enjoy inside and waiting the time.
Well, let's go.
Big your phone now.
Look, I can't. It is TOPE and I can't pick it.
What?
You know your son. He will.
Hey,
What is it? What did he say? What is it now? You're calling to what is it? What is the problem? What is this whole meeting now?
what is happening?
I don't get disease.
Which kind of disease?
And disease was past HIV.
Hey! Wait. My son has gotten Ebola.
It's even worse past Ebola.
Okay, please tell us.
What is the problem? Tell us what the problem is.
Mama, see, the name of the disease now, eating but not every. See now, I did not drink the tea, no, enter my mouth.
Okay, so you mean the reason why you delayed that trip is because you cannot eat, eh?
Baba, wait, see, the best thing now, make it the gather money now, make you fly me go India, go do tea surgery for me.
Look, but before I will fly you out for any surgery, let me now conduct a surgery on you first before anything will take place.
Conduct like
I will beat the nonsense out of you. Well, come back. I will beat the nonsense out of you. You want? Come back here. Look, I will beat you.
Hey, make una see, papa talk my dog come again.
Baba TOPE, since your health is failing you every now and then, I will advise you to write your will. Sir?
Who told you my heart is failing me, eh? Who told you my health is failing me?
Sorry.
I'm strong and healthy.
Sorry, Baba.
It is only a slight illness.
TOPE, this is not slight.
Well, if you insisted, I have 2 requests.
Okay.
First, I want my body to be burnt when I die.
Your body burns when you die. Sorry, Baba TOPE, sorry.
Why are you opening your mouth and your eyes?
Sorry.
Is it your body that will be burnt?
Sorry, Baba.
It is my body.
Sorry. Well, sorry, Baba Tope. Sorry. The right word is cremate. You want your body cremated when you die.
Lawyer. I don't want all this English you're introducing to me. This is not the right time. Burnt, cremate. Is it not the same thing?
They are the same.
I wanted to guess it. What is? Don't look.
Sorry,
I'm
sorry.
not in the mood, please.
Sorry, Baba Tope. Sorry. Sorry. Take it easy, Baba Tope.
And secondly, I want my ashes to be scattered all over the shopping malls in Nigeria.
Your ashes scattered all over the shopping malls in the country. But sorry, Baba Tope. You know you are very. If we burn you, what ashes will be left for us to distribute over the shopping malls in the country?
Look, lawyer. There are things you say, I get so disappointed.
I'm sorry, sir.
Don't you know how to manage things? Learn how to manage the ashes. Make sure it goes round. Manage it. Let it. Even if it's a piece, just make sure it gets to the shopping malls in Nigeria.
Okay, but over 2,000 shopping malls in the country. Who will be in charge of distributing this?
Look, it is as if you don't know who Mama Tope is. She can shop anything, shop people. She can shop in Kano. She can shop in Kaduna.
But who will be in charge of? Sorry.
Didn't you hear what I just said? I will provide the money.
Sorry, Baba Tope.
I will provide the money.
Sorry, sorry, Baba Tope. Sorry. Please touch your neck.
Okay.
Is it? Baba Tope, you are sick. You are not well. You are sick, Baba Tope. You don't feel fine at all. How can you said Baba Tope, you are sick. Sir?
From your mouth.
No, I'm sorry, but you are sick, sir.
No.
Baba Tope, you will write this will.
No.
Sorry, Baba Tope, you will write this will.
Make una see Baba Tope. Make una see Baba Tope. More than the mumu waiting saying yes sense. Sometimes he says they make sense, and sometimes he says no, they make sense. Oh, Baba Tope. Oh, Mama Tope. Oh, Tope. Oh, Mama Chike. Oh, Ndubisi. Oh, Efemena. All of them for the same community. Then go make you laugh.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.